Tanse, and greetings to all parents, guardians, and caregivers. Russell Hunter Nisikasan. I'm the Superintendent of Schools here in Unichikiskapuan. We hope everyone is staying safe and practicing all the things you need to do to keep you and your family safe at this time. In preparation for the 2020-21 school year, the school administration and education staff have done a great amount of work towards creating a school re-entry plan. There are many factors to consider, but the absolute priority is to reopen our schools with the well-being and safety of our children, grandchildren, parents, and community members at the forefront. We all realize we live in very different times with perhaps more apprehension, anxiety, and fear. We encourage you all to be taking this time to prepare your children and grandchildren for back to school days. On August 24th, our staff will be returning to prepare for the students, and we will be starting out in ceremony as we should. Prayers and offerings are still important. Following this, all staff will be training with our Director of Emergency Management and other people from the Health Center and reviewing all the new protocols developed for the 2020-21 school re-entry plan. We encourage all parents, guardians, and caregivers to pre-register your child or children, and we are discouraging students from going school to school during the re-entry period, which is the entire month of September. First day of school is Wednesday, September 3rd. Social distancing and constant sanitizing is possible, as challenging as it will be. Masking will be mandatory, as well as monitoring student and staff temperatures. We have 5 scenarios in the re-entry plan. Scenario 1 is a full return with all students and staff with health and safety measures. 5-day school week with maximum number of 15 in each classroom, including teacher and education assistant. Scenario 2 is a modified return with health and safety measures. We're looking at 50% capacity, with each student coming to school 2 days per week, and the other 2 days remote learning with homework packages, and 1 day school closure for sanitization and staff collaboration. Scenario 3 is a modified return with weekly cohorts and health and safety measures. 1 week on and 1 week off, 50% capacity. When students are on their week off, they will have the option of working on homework packages or online learning through Google Classroom. Scenario 4 is a hybrid of remote learning with online and homework packages. No in-person classes for all students. Google Classroom and homework packages will be normal method of delivery. Scenario 5 is overcapacity return with health and safety measures. This is in preparation for an influx of students and will adhere to the health guidelines of social distancing and sanitization. At the present, we are preparing for Scenario 1, depending on a COVID-19 situation at that time. An information package for parents and the community will be sent out this week, and it will be posted on the official Saddle Lake Facebook page and the Saddle Lake website. We encourage you to contact us at the Education Office should you require more information. Kuyas nagatem so egose itama ai hai.
Danse, my name is Theresa Cardinal. I'm the Interim Director for the Saddle Lake Healthcare Center. The Saddle Lake Healthcare Center has been actively working to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in the community. Saddle Lake Healthcare Center has been working with other programs to support the community in preventing the spread of COVID-19 virus. All Saddle Lake Healthcare Center staff have been tested, as well as community testing was held on July 30th and 31st, 2020. We are pleased to say that so far all tests have been negative. With students returning to school this fall, we are planning a back-to-school testing blitz on August 24th, 25th, 2020 at Kihew Asiniy Education Center. We encourage parents to bring their children to get tested. Parents will have reassurance knowing that their other children are being tested. we want to ensure that all students and staff continue to practice the safety protocols set in place for the continued health of our community members. During the testing, we plan to give out a back to school incentive for the Saddle Lake students. Should your child or children be sick on these 2 days, August 24th, 25th, please ensure they are kept home. If your children are sick, please call the Saddle Lake Healthcare Center at a later date to book a COVID-19 test prior to returning to school. Another exciting announcement I would like to share is that Saddle Lake Healthcare Center has been selected to get the Gene Expert Rapid Test, which gives test results within 1 hour. This will help get the test results in the hour instead of the current 3 to 7 days results. Once again, please continue practicing the safety protocols set out for our community. Hi from the Saddle Lake Healthcare Center staff. Have a good week.